Here, matured rice panicles were purchased from the local market to serve as raw materials for the processing exercise. After parboiling overnight, the rice was washed thoroughly with clean water to remove excess starch and impurities as seen in the video. During this process, another student was making fire to serve as a heat source for the process. After that, water was heated to produce steam before adding the rice for the second parboiling stage. The washed rice was then parboiled the second time to ensure even gelatinization, which refers to the process where starch granules in the rice absorb water, swells when heated, making the grains softer and partially cooked. Here, another student is blowing the fire to ensure proper steaming of the rice, as you can see in the video. The next step here is to cover the rice with a clean sack before placing the main lid to retain heat and allow uniform steaming of the grains. After steaming, the rice were covered with removed from the fire, poured on a clean sack, and then covered with another sack to retain heat and allow proper gelatinization of the grains for a few minutes. Thank you, as the student is doing in the video. I'm very sure you have been hearing gelatinization throughout this video. Let's look at the importance of gelatinization. Gelatinization strengthens the grains, reducing breakage during milling. It also improves the texture and appearance of the final polished rice and also enhances the nutritional and cooking value of the rice. Thank you, and watch out for part 2. After the rice was brought down from the fire and covered with a sack for proper gelatinization, it was then opened for a few minutes before it is then moved by 2 other students to a section where it can be sun-dried. After being poured on the sack for sun drying, it is then now spread, either using your hand or using a tool for spreading. But here in our case, we used our hand, as seen in the video. Thank you. Keep watching. Ensure to continue spreading to allow even distribution of sunlight, which is the main source of drying, as seen in this video. Keep drying, keep turning, and keep spreading it for even distribution. This is the second day of sun drying before it is now taken to a section for milling. This is the milling section, pouring it into the machine for milling. After this stage, you willow the rice and proceed to destoning the rice. This is the machine used for destoning the rice.